actually sick. Nice.
All right.
What's the mid tip to build one?
Like it. You'll have sharps next time.
Yeah.
There's one for
Cheers.
cheers.
See you next week.
Cheers, Mike.
Oh, where else are you? From Melbourne? I was resting Melbourne for 2 months.
Really? When you said you were working there?
Yeah, well,
Got a nice bass sound to it, nice bass note. And if I take it out of the water, it'll be just a little higher. Here's the difference, it's just a hair higher out of the water, because underwater there's the edge effect. That the pipe is longer underwater, the boundary effect. This is a little bit higher in pitch than it is underwater. So if you're designing a hydraulophone, it's got to be tuned to either play above the water or below the water. You got to decide which and tune it accordingly. Now if I push a little bit out, higher in pitch, and I can even pluck it. Put my finger in there and pluck it.
That's loud. Yeah. That one's stressful. We're back.
All right,
Very good.
hydraulophone, the voice of water.
Lovely.